Hi everybody, this is John from smarthomereviewer.com, and today we're going to look at the Bond Wi-Fi connector for remote control devices. This is a really cool product that I've been waiting to get my hands on since I first saw it. It basically gives you the ability to make remote control devices like ceiling fans that use a radio frequency remote smart. So this will connect, I believe it's up to 6 devices, so 6 ceiling fans in this case. And it basically clones your remote and allows you to control those devices through your cell phone, through your Google Home, Amazon Alexa. You can see here on the box, if this then that is supported, and a number of other things. So what we're going to do is unbox this and take a look at what's inside. And this is the first time that I'm opening this, so I am seeing this at the same time as you. We have, let's see, always start with the boring stuff first. Looks like there's a little slot for instructions. Here we go. Other products that this will soon work with. I've seen this on the website. So motorized windows, window air conditioners, garage doors, which I'd love to see if this works with my Q, because they are an even more walled garden than Apple. Smoke detectors, I have no idea why you would want to remote control your smoke detectors, electric fireplaces, humidifiers, motorized shades. So this could potentially be a game-changing device. I mean, no longer will you have to replace older devices with smart devices in order to make them smart. You can just pair them to your Bond and be on your way. So looking in the package, we have a pretty standard adapter. This better be micro. Yeah, micro USB cable, like everything else. And then the Bond unit itself, which looks a lot like an Echo Dot. I believe this ring lights up blue or green. There's probably red in there for some sort of horrible error. You can see on the bottom, this is like a rubberized ring to hold it in place. Some air vents. As far as I know, this doesn't make any noises or play any sounds. There you go. So it's basically, you plug this in, pair it to your Wi-Fi, install the app, go through the setup, and then start cloning your fan remotes to Bond. So I will be making a setup video. Be on the lookout for that. Or check out the write-ups for the Bond ceiling fan controller on my site, smarthomereviewer.com. Thank you.